What are you doing now? Hope staying at home and doing online classes. This is Parimal Chandra Mandal, assistant teacher of Alpangasha PN High School. Welcome to my online class. Today I take a class of 7 on changing sentences of positive to superlative. That means the rules by the system how to make a positive degree to superlative degree. Dear student, at first look at the board. Positive statement start with no other. If a positive degree start with no other, then the structure of superlative will be superlative structure will be last subject plus verb plus the superlative form of adjective plus afterword of no other. So dear students, if a positive degree start with no other, then the structure of superlative degree will be, at first we have to write last subject, then verb, then the superlative form of adjective, finally afterword of no other. Now we will learn this structure through an example. No other boy in the class is as clever as he. It is an example of positive degree. We have to change it superlative degree. At first, look, this positive degree started with no other. So we have to follow this structure to make superlative. Superlative will be last subject. At first we have to write last subject. Here last subject is he. Then verb is the, because superlative, before superlative form we must be use an article of the. Before superlative degree we must put the. He is the superlative form of adjective. Here clever is an adjective and the superlative form of cleverest. He is the cleverest boy in the class. Boy in the class is the afterword of no other. Boy in the class, afterword of no other. So dear student, look at the board and following this structure, read the superlative degree. Last subject he. Here last subject he. I write down at first he. Then verb is. Then the superlative form of adjective cleverest. Afterword of no other boy in the class. Now dear student, we will practice another example of same structure. No other city in Bangladesh is as big as Dhaka. No other city in Bangladesh is as big as Dhaka. Following this structure, you have to transfer, you have to change this statement into superlative degree. Last subject Dhaka, verb is then the superlative form of adjective big, superlative form of adjective biggest. Dhaka is the biggest after order of no other city in Bangladesh. Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh. So dear student, look this structure and follow this statement of positive degree. We change it to superlative degree. At first we have to write last subject Dhaka, then is verb, the superlative form adjective after order of no other. Dear student, now we learn another rules of positive to superlative. If a positive degree will start by if a positive degree start with very few, then we have to follow another structure to change it superlative. Positive degree start with very few, then superlative structure last subject plus verb plus one of the plus superlative form of adjective plus after order of very few. Very few. So dear student, if a positive degree start with very few, if a positive degree start with very few, then we have to change it superlative degree following this structure. Now look at this example. He is start with very few. Very few boys in the class are as small as Ronnie. We have to transfer it superlative degree. Very few boys in the class are small as Ronnie. So at first we have to write last subject Ronnie. We have to write last subject Ronnie, then verb Ronnie is, here verb are because boys plural number, here Ronnie singular number, so verb will be singular. Ronnie, then singular verb is. So Ronnie is one of the, because the statement অর্থাৎ positive statement start with very few, so instead of very few we have to write one of the. Then superlative form of adjective smallest. Ronnie is one of the smallest after order of very few boys in the class. Boys in the class. Ronnie is one of the smallest boys in the class. So dear students, now student look at the board. Very few boys in the class are as small as Ronnie. This is an example of positive degree. Study with very few. Study with very few. So if we want to change it superlative, at first we have to write last subject Ronnie, then verb is, Ronnie is a singular, so verb will be singular. Ronnie is one of the, instead of very few we have to write one of the, then superlative form of adjective smallest, finally after order of very few boys in the class. So boys in the class. Ronnie is one of the smallest boys in the class. Dear student, we have exercise another Example, very few dramatists are as great as Shakespeare. Superlative, last subject Shakespeare is one of the, according the structure, Shakespeare is one of the greatest dramatist. Shakespeare is one of the greatest dramatist. Here last subject Shakespeare, verb is, then one of the, and superlative form of greatest, after one of very few dramatist. So following this structure, we will able to change a positive degree to superlative degree. At first you have to memorize, but you have to practice more and more the structure of positive to superlative. So dear student, exercise or revise again and again this rule, because these rules are very important to change a sentence from positive to superlative. So dear student, as we have learned the structure or the rules of positive to superlative, so now I will give you some tasks, that means some home tasks that you have practiced more and more at home. Now dear student, write down on your, now I will give you home tasks. So dear student, here is your homework. Transfer the following sentences into superlative. That means you have to transfer this sentence to superlative. First, no other short story writer is as great as Rabindranath Tagore. Then, very few metals are as useful as iron. No other fruit is as nutritious as banana. And next, very few games are as popular as football. These types of sentences start no other and very few. So as I discuss the rules of no other and very few, so it will be easy to your home if you so practice more and more. And this is all for today. So dear students, today we are passing a day with critical moment. So stay at home at your betterment of life, and for keeping yourself healthy or for keeping yourself safe, wash your hands about 20 seconds again and again with soap. So dear student, our honorable government always instruct us different rules to keep ourselves safe. So follow these rules and keep safe. That's all for today. See you again on my next class. Thanks.